Hello mga ka-forever, I'm inviting you to the 18th Modern Wedding and Debut Bridal Fair from January 19 to 21 happening at Mall Atrium Robinson's Place Antipolo from 10 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. So mga ka-forever, this is the perfect opportunity for you to take down notes dahil dito nyo makikita lahat ng mga kailangan for your wedding, from wedding venue to flower arrangement, makeup artist, photographer, lahat na etc. Diba mga ka-forever? I know may mga tao dito na busy sa kanya-kanya nating buhay na hindi makakapunta physically. But don't worry because we also have a digital platform. It's called www.myweddingplanner.ph. So itong platform na to, meron ditong mga list ng mga suppliers na pwede nyo makuha din for your wedding needs. And I encourage yung mga wedding suppliers to please join here so that young couples will also see you in this platform, diba? So, ayun mga ka-forever, gawa na kayo ng account dito sa My Wedding Planner dahil meron itong budget tracker which makes our lives much more easier, diba? So, ayun, do not forget to please go here sa event na to and also subscribe na rin kayo sa myweddingplanner.ph. Salamat mga ka-forever!